Python has been one of the most popular programming languages for years. But with new technologies emerging, is it still worth learning in 2024? Stick around to find out. Welcome to Python Hub. Today, we are tackling a big question. Should you learn Python in 2024? Let's start with the basics. Python is a versatile programming language used in a wide range of development areas. Whether you are interested in web development, mobile app development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or even automation, Python has got you covered. Python's features make it incredibly user-friendly. It's known for its versatility, readability, which means even if you are new to programming, you can pick it up quickly. With a vast library of frameworks and tools, Python can help you build robust applications efficiently. Now, you might be wondering, what about other languages? Languages like JavaScript, Java, and C# also offer great features and have their own strengths. JavaScript is fantastic for front-end development. Java is renowned for its portability and performance, and C# is a powerhouse for game development with Unity. But what sets Python apart from the rest? Python stands out from other programming languages primarily due to its simplicity, versatility, and strong support community. Simplicity. Python's syntax is clear and concise, making it exceptionally easy to learn and read. This focuses on readability, promotes efficient coding and collaboration. Versatility. Its wide applicability across various domains such as web development, data analysis, AI, and scientific computing makes Python a universal choice for programmers and companies. Strong support community. A large, active community contributes to Python's vast ecosystem of libraries and tools, offering ample resources and support for developers of all levels. Python's adaptability to future tech trends and its open source nature further cements its position as a preferred programming languages in the tech industry. This is where a course comes in. From Zero to Hero, the complete Python development masterclass is designed to elevate your skills from beginner to advanced levels across all essential topics and beyond. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, AI, or automation, our course has got you covered. Take advantage of our exclusive 25% discount with the code PythonHubSub. Find the link in the description and embark on a journey that could transform your career. So, why choose Python over all other language? For starters, the demand for Python is skyrocketing. According to the recent surveys, Python is one of the top programming languages employers are looking for. Its application in data science, machine learning, and AI are particularly sought after in the tech industry. Additionally, Python's community is one of the largest and most supportive. You will never feel stuck with a problem because there's a high chance someone has already solved it and shared the solution online. In conclusion, Python is not just a language of the present, it's a language of the future. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your programming journey or an experienced developer waiting to add a versatile language to your toolkit, Python is definitely worth learning in 2024. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to stay updated with the latest Python tips and tutorials. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video.